In this video, we are going to see how we can pay for the purchase of services. As you can see here, on 18 January, paid Mr. Anthony by check of Standard Chartered Bank and the amount is 3,000. So we will go to Sage, click on vendors and purchases. We have already entered the bill before and now we are paying for the bills. So let's click on pay bills, click on pay bills again, and we are paying by Standard Chartered Bank. So let's select that, click OK, and let's select the vendor, which is Mr. Anthony. From this vendor, we have purchased the services of packing charges and the total invoice amount was 4,500. Against that, we are doing the partial payment. So we can copy and paste this narration right here and paste it here. And the amount we are paying for it is 3,000, the partial payment. The date of transaction is 18th of January. So let's change that. Sometimes when you change the date, the amount paid column will be reset. So we have to again write it. Just put any reference number here. We are paying by Standard Chartered Bank. Standard Chartered Bank is selected. You can paste the memo here as well, but that has some limited characters as you can see. So we can shorten the version of it. And after that, just save it. If you want to see the transaction again, we click on the next transaction. So it will show us the last one. Click on journal to see the journal entry effect. And the journal entry, as you can see here, Standard Chartered Bank is credit because we are paying for the services. So that's why it's credit, and payables is also reducing. Perfect entry. That's how you deal it. So this is how you can pay for the services in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.